Okay guys, this is Mrs. Boner here. We're going to talk about how to find the vertex of a parabola that is already written in vertex form. So if you look on Google Classroom, I provided you this exact same handout, these 2 pages right here. We're going to go through them, take notes on them. So I want you to follow along, write down notes on this, and then after this video, you guys are going to do a document that has exactly the same type of questions as these that you see right here. So, all right, so let's get started. A tells you whether the parabola opens up or down. So if it is positive, it's going to take and it's going to open up. All right, so we're going to write down the word up here. Right, if the A is a negative, then it's going to open down. All right. Okay, the H and the K in this form right here gives you the vertex of the parabola. So if we go down here and start looking at these problems, first off, we're going to take a look at the A. The A is positive. It is a 2, so we're going to write down as a 2. And it is positive, so it opens up. So we want to circle up. HK, that is the vertex of the parabola, so this is the H. So this is 3. And the K is a 1, so I'm going to put 1 right here. All right, so that's what we have so far. The y-intercept is where I'm going to put a 0 in for x. So it's 2. This is 0 minus 3 squared plus 1. So this is 2 times 9 plus 1. So that's 2 times 9, which is 18. Add the 1 and it gives me 19. So there's that. Okay, number 2, the A is a 3, yes. So the parabola opens up. And the vertex, a little bit more trickier. If you look back here, it's minus H. If you look down here, it's plus a 7. So what do I do with that? Plus 7 is the same thing as minus negative 7. So guess what? Your H is not a 7. It is negative 7. And then your K is a 5. So we're going to put a 5 here for K. So negative 7, 5. Y-intercept, I'm going to put a 0 in for x. So this is 3. This is 0 plus 7 squared plus 5. So this is 3 times 49 plus 5. So I'll get my calculator out. 3 times 49. See what that is. What is that? That is 147 plus 2. So this is plus 5, I'm sorry. 147 plus 5. I was thinking ahead here. Ends up being 152. So we're going to put down 152 right over here. Okay, next page of your notes. We're going to go here. Number 3. A is a negative 4. So that means that it opens what? Down. Yep, it opens down. HK, look at this guy again. It's minus H. This is a plus 3, so it's going to be a minus 3 because of this guy right here. And then your K is a negative 3. Y-intercept, put a 0 in for x, negative 4. This is going to be 0 plus 3, so it's going to be 3 squared minus 3. So it's going to be negative 4 times 9 minus 3, negative 36 minus 3 makes it negative 39. So 0, negative 39. Okay, last one. A is a, negative 6. It opens down. HK, the H is a 7. The K is a negative 5. Y-intercept, put a 0 in for x. Then I have negative 6. Negative. 0 minus 7 is negative 7. I'm just saving some time here. Squared minus 5. So that's going to be negative 6 times 49 minus 5. So that's negative 6 times 49 minus 5 gives me a total of, what is that? Negative 299. So negative 299, I believe, right? Negative 299. Okay, so that's all that we do. Just find the A, the H, the K, and that's it. The handout I give you has exactly the same thing for you to do. Do the questions and submit it, and you should be good to go. So there you go.